Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market. And today I will present you Dark Passenger, so a new development studio, a new developer, recruited by people of game developers or veterans that have also worked in CD Projekt and worked on Witcher 3 and the Cyberpunk. You can see already, so I really like the icon. So Dark Passenger, pretty cool. So the hunt begins. So I'm going to read a little bit through this and see what information we get. So we don't have a lot of information yet, but that's the information we will get. And then also we check out the careers, so what positions are open. Of course, you can job there and read it yourself, guys. That's always possible. But if you would like to hear my opinion or we read this together, then stay with me, because it seems a lot of CD Projekt developers were leaving the company to create their own studio. So I think that's cool. I mean, if you were successful at something and you want to do your own rules, then why not just leaving CD Projekt or any other big developer, of course. So indie game developer from Warsaw in Poland. So Dark Passenger is a Polish Warsaw-based game development studio. Our team is made of game dev veterans and fresh blood specialists. We've gathered our experience in production of titles like The Witcher 3 and Cyberpunk in the last 5 years. As a real-time various CGI studio, we have made hundreds of animation, cinematic sequences, characters and worlds for many indie and AAA games. So that's cool. Real-time various CGI studio. Our long-term support of the game dev industry inevitably led us to production of our own original project, which is currently in its first production stage. When making our first game, we are focused on creating engaging experiences and stories. We are building a captivating dark world full of mysteries, extraordinary characters, and tense conflicts that are consuming the land of the cherry blossom. So it's going to play in Japan, as I understand correctly. And looks already pretty cool, and I see already the Witcher 3 signature there. So online action game, FPS, online, co-op, PvP and PvE, and Unreal Engine 5. So our goal is to create highly exciting online experiences that are focused both on cooperation and rivalry. We are fascinated by interpersonal actions, alliances, daring confrontations, and unexpected twists of events in order to make every game unique and surprising. We are using advanced procedural solutions. It's going to be a procedural title. While the goal will be the same for all players, every time achieving it will require a different approach, tactics, and taken routes. Our locomotion system will allow players to perform incredible evolutions, such as running on arrows that were fired by other players. Fast climbing on, okay, this sounds funny. Fast climbing on vertical surfaces with the use of Shuko claws and using Jerry's spear like a pole to jump over obstacles. So it's going to be probably a very agile, a very jumpy experience. Among many weapons in the player's arsenal, there will be katanas, short tanto and wakizashi blades, kusarigama, chains, shurikens, kunai throwing knives, and many more. So obviously they know all of those Japanese weapons that I never heard about. But I know what a katana is, and I know what shurikens are. Engaging close-range combat will demand as much dexterity as tactics and close cooperation with teammates. Advanced system of customization will allow players to create unique characters and modify their weapons and equipment to their liking. They'll also be able to create their own dojo, a personal space where they can invite friends for training, combat, and movement. And then we get some more information about the world. So feudal Japan in the shadow of terror. The troubled time has come in the land of the cherry blossom, when nameless conquerors overthrew the ruling shogun and took over his throne. Everyone who dared to oppose him not only failed, but also against their will joined his ranks. While the army of the usurper grows stronger, his actions are being carefully watched by the cunning lords of the world of shadows. In order to learn the origin and motives of the aggressor, the secret houses of the assassins are sending their warriors to find the artifacts of his belonging that conceal extraordinary power. Taking the role of the shinobi and Kunoichi warriors. Players will face acolytes of the usurper, but also assassins that are hunting for the same find. So you're following me, guys? You following me? You understand what's the story? I mean, the story is you play in feudal Japan, and you just have to kill the other bad guys. So I guess while traversing these dark lands, player characters will jump over city roofs. So it's going to be a lot with dexterity, where we jumpy title, hide underneath the floors of wooden huts, climb on the pagodas, or sneak through shrines and temples. So nothing new here. Vertical design of the terrain will open unlimited possibilities of movement, and dynamic weather will surprise them with sudden rain, strong dusty wind, or dense mist. So yeah, I mean, dynamic weather is fun, so why not? So just implement this. Players will encounter many social classes, ranging from simple villagers and beggars to highborn townspeople and samurais. However, the goal is to remain unseen and be always vigilant in the face of threats that may be lurking on them from all sides. So platforms, Steam, Epic, PS5 and Xbox Series X. And I really tried to get a PS5, guys, but there's no shop selling me a PS5, so it's unbelievable. So contact Dark Passenger EU. Dark Passenger as a company. I think it's not a stock that's traded. I don't think it's traded. So contact career. So then we go to careers very quickly. There we see. So become a ninja. So be part of Dark Passenger. Attractive salary, stationary or remote work, flexible working hours and holidays, private healthcare. All team members participate in 10% of the income from the sale of the game. So that sounds good. If you're really looking forward to a game like to participate and also get 10% of the sales. And then those are the positions that are still open: lead animator, tech artist, gameplay programmer, character artist, netcode programmer, environment artist, 3D designer, sound designer. So what we are like. Our studio is located in Warsaw next to the Brodnowski forest. We value the closeness of nature and good architecture. We have always tried to create comfortable, stress-free working conditions. Come on, which workplace has a stress-free? If it's stress-free, people are not working. So yeah, I know, Mr. Orange, you are so mean. So yeah. I mean, I know the story. So I know a lot of people think work is fun, but work is also sometimes work. And an atmosphere conducive to creative thinking. That's more important. We are not a factory, and we do not treat our employees as laborers. So all of this comes actually all of people, and also in my other video I was releasing on my other channel with those new companies created by former devs, developers of CD Projekt. They must be really disappointed and angry about something that happened with CD Projekt. We appreciate the initiative and the ambitious approach to the project. We are open to bold ideas and solutions. We are constantly developing our team by investing in education and access to many sources of knowledge and inspiration. We create a prejudice-free environment based on tolerance, support, and understanding. So I don't understand why they have to write this there. So I mean, is it standard values? Is this not something we all should be? So again, is there something that was missing in CD Projekt? I don't know. So I really would like to know. We treat individual needs as seriously as the group's expectations. We provide all amenities, private medical care. That's good, guys. Paid overtime, also very good, guys. So congratulations. With an emphasis on work-life balance. Yeah, that's important, of course, with our flexible working hours, important, and holidays. Yeah, holidays are also important. We enable both stationary and remote work, also important. All of this sounds good, guys. Sounds all good. We are looking for creative people open to challenges and problems that come with the production of games every day. We want everyone to bring a piece of themselves to the project, making it so much better. At the time, to appreciate this commitment, all team members will participate in the 10% of the income generated from the sale of the published games. So I like this a lot. So I think they seem to be very nice. I think, guys, they really seem to be very nice and very interesting new company. So if I would be starting as a programmer or as a game developer, I would definitely also have a look at this company. So, but of course, I'm not a game developer. I do other things in my life, But sounds good, guys. Sounds very good. So check this out, Dark Passenger. Keep an eye on this new company. Keep an eye on their new game. So something very cool might be just around the corner. Probably 2-3 years. I don't know. But I don't think it goes faster, obviously. So, but thank you very much for getting this information out. And see you next time. Bye-bye.